Namaste, I am Vishnupriya expert from Chennai. This is the month of Margazhi. In this month, we will celebrate Margazhi Mahotsavam through reciting Tirupavai Pasurams for each day. This is the 30th day of Margazhi month. I am going to recite 30th Tirupavai Pasuram Vangakadal Kadainda in Ragam Suruti, which is set to Misra Chaputalam. Vangakadal Kadainda Madhavanai Keshavanai Vangakadal Kadainda Madhavanai Keshavanai Tingal Tirumugathu Seizhayar Senriranji Anga Parai Konda Vaatrai Ani Puduvai Paingamala Tanderiyal Pattarpiran Kodai Sonna Sanga Tamil Malai Muppadum Tapame Ingi Parisuraipa Irirandu Malvarai Thol Shengan Tirumugathu Silva Tirumalal Engum Tiruvarul Petra Inpuruvar Pavai Pavai ஆண்டாள் திருவடிகளே சரணம். Thank you.